Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can import new fonts into CapCut. So here I download a font from thefont.com. I download this signature font and I want to add it into my CapCut. So what you need to do is after you download the font, just open the CapCut apps and then go to tags. First, just add the text that you want, like this. Then go to font and click on the plus icon. Go to add font tab and click on the plus icon in here. Click on upload the file and select the file from your file explorer. Okay, the signature, and select the font. Now just like that, the font has been uploaded, and click on the font if you want to use it. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.